Today in Amsterdam, I saw an article about the housing crisis, practically identical to the one I read in Los Angeles. They said, the cause of the housing shortage here is solely a result of limited land, a shortage of materials, and a lack of technology. But somehow they neglected to spotlight the real cause of the housing issues, which is undeniably the rate at which humans are multiplying. Even suggesting humans consider pacing our growth is the very reason I've been called a baby hater more than once. But the issue with omitting the real offender, us, is that it allows us to avoid accountability and to continue to blissfully multiply and build more and more housing until every last square inch of Earth is covered, at which point we'll write more articles about this so-called crisis. It's a perfect example of our immense capacity for self-delusion. Meanwhile, all 8 billion of us have managed to ravenously consume enough food, water, and space to tip the scale in favor of our detriment. If that level of destruction were caused by any other species, we'd be the first to step in and mercilessly regulate them. So why are we the exception? And at what point do we have a moral obligation to take responsibility for the human invasion and stop multiplying? My decision not to breed is not because I'm an elitist, but instead to ensure resources are available for all humans and animals, and to avoid the incalculable suffering of all whom we share this planet with. I'm simply suggesting we consider the wider repercussions of having more than one child.